Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm making something really fun and a little bit different, a lottery scratch ticket advent calendar made entirely from colored MDF, using my CO laser cutter. If you've been looking for a unique holiday gift idea, or just want a cool laser cutting project, this is a perfect one. Let's jump right in. First, let's start with the design. I created a simple but clean layout with 24 numbered pockets, one for each day leading up to Christmas. The calendar consists of two main layers, a front panel with the cutout doors, and back panel where the lottery tickets will be attached. For this project, I'm using 3mm colored MDF boards. These are great because the pigment gives a really nice finished look right out of the laser, no painting needed. Now it's time to fire up the CO laser cutter. I'm using the following settings for 3mm colored MDF. Power, 70%. Speed, 20 mm per second. Air assist, on. And for engraving, power, 20%. Speed, 350 mm per second. Air assist, on. Now let's engrave and cut first layer. Once everything is cut, I start building the pockets. Each pocket is made from side walls and a front piece. A tiny amount of super glue along the edges is all that's needed. Colored MDF glues really well. Once all pockets are assembled, I let them dry for a few minutes. Now we need acetone and a rag to clean the MDF. Oh, I couldn't find a rag right now, but I found my daughter's pajamas. I hope she doesn't watch this video. Now we clean off the dust that was created during engraving and cutting. Now it's time for the fun part, filling the calendar. Each pocket is perfectly sized for a scratch ticket. I slide one into each pocket so the surprise builds up day by day. Are you interested in how much the calendar owner won by December 24th? Leave a comment if you are interested to know. And that's how I made this laser cut 24 pocket lottery advent calendar. It's simple, clean, and makes a perfect handmade gift. If you enjoyed this build, hit like, subscribe, and let me know what project I should make next. Thanks for watching.